Hi everyone, and welcome back to Dashdoc Academy. I'm Chloe, and today we're going to look at how you can optimize your use of the reports tool so you can export your data and put them in your own spreadsheets for further analysis. Let's get to it. I'm logged into my Dashdoc account. I'm going to go ahead and scroll down on the left and click on reports. Under reports, we can see all of the different reports that I can also check out. Right now, we're in general. I can also look and track my profitability, my subcontracting, my truckers, my vehicles. I can empty my estimation, my invoicing, and my orders and subcontracted orders. So right now, we're going to stick to my general reports. And as I scroll down, you can see that there are many different reports that I can choose and look over. What is so convenient about these reports is I can also go ahead and export each graph. I can click on different things on the graphs in order to understand a little bit more what is going on. And I can also use my filter to really see and hone into which reports I want to look at. So for example, if I want to look at last month and if there is a particular customer, with this filter, I can go ahead, scroll down and see all of my reports regarding what I've chosen. I can also go ahead and create my own filter that I want to use again in the future. So for example, if I want to look at the last month orders with international freight services, I have my reports that have popped up. I'm going to go ahead, click on the floppy disk on the right to save view. I'm going to name this view. Once I've saved this view, I can go ahead and click on Modified View and select my customized filter. So if I want to go ahead and export, when I click on Export, you'll see that I have 3 different document versions that I can go ahead and select. And specifically for fuel surcharge, I can also go ahead, click on the title and select which one I want to see, whether it's included or not included. So in this module, you can really go ahead, play around with it, see how your numbers are looking, see how your data is looking. After scrolling down, you'll see that your information is right here. And what's neat is that you can also go ahead and export these tables as well. So this is the general reports. We can also go ahead and look at the reports for your truckers and your vehicles. When looking at the reports for your vehicles, you're going to be able to also look at the information collected from your telematics. So under source of distance calculation, you'll see the telematic distance that's been reported too. So if we keep scrolling down, you'll see the information that has also been collected here. And as we scroll down, you'll also be able to see your invoicing reports, which we've also covered in the last video. So in invoicing reports, you're going to be able to see your revenue, whether your total revenue by month or also detail by month. So not only will you be able to see your invoicing by month in these reports, but as we keep scrolling down, you'll also see your invoice by year. All of this information is so important because it's going to give you real-time data and feedback as to how your business is doing and how your customers are doing also. If you scroll down some more, you'll also be able to see the revenue by invoice item. And of course, scrolling down even further, you're going to see all of this information be put in the tables, which you can also export. Just to recap, in this video, we looked at the reports feature and how you can personalize which reports you'd like to export for further analysis in your own spreadsheets. If you have any questions, as always, please check out our Help Desk Center and any Help Desk articles. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you next time on Dashdoc Academy.